I'm so nervous. Why am I nervous? This makes no sense. I'm back. And I'm back with my favorite style. Today, I'm doing the top knot, top puff, top bun, top whatever situation that I really enjoy doing. Now this is my go-to style. I have been doing this for a long time. Since I've been natural, this has just been like the easiest thing to do. It works really quickly and it gets the job done. You're gonna need some brushes. I have a soft brush and a hard brush. You're gonna need a scrunchie. Now, when I say scrunchie, I don't really mean like the little ones. I don't mean like even something like as small as this. I mean something kind of like this that has really good stretch to it. She looks kind of big, but she gets even bigger, you know, surprise. I like these scrunchies. I had one that was really large and she was my child, my baby, but she lost her stretch and I can't find her anymore. So it's really sad. You're also gonna need some gel. I like to use this Eco Styler because it doesn't dry out my hair. It doesn't dry out my hair. And I think that's really the only requirement. As long as it sleeks and doesn't dry out my hair, we're in business. The most important thing you're gonna need is a headband. This is a headband that I cut in the middle where the glue attaches it. And I've been using this for about a month, so it has some stretch to it, but not as much as it once had. I like to use headbands over shoestrings. I think headbands, the material is just a little kinder to your hair, and shoestrings don't really have like a bounce, like an elastic bounce, and this does. So it'll your hair in a really, that wasn't English. So we sleep in this. The next morning, I'm gonna start by taking this down. Now, take a spray bottle and spray around. I'm gonna take my softer brush first, spray that. So you're gonna take it and you're gonna brush up. And I'm gonna brush all the way into that middle section. Once you have that down, I'm gonna put in a loose bun. This loose bun is really good for shaping it, so throw it up there. And I'm gonna take a little bit of gel. And we're gonna add this gel to mainly my edges. Once you have your gel in, we're gonna go in with the headband and we're gonna bring it around like so. Maintain some tension, and then we're just gonna keep the tension on the hair while we kind of pull it up. And I just kind of pull it in. And I go really tight first, just so that it gets any like lumps out, and then I loosen it so I don't have the worst headache of my life. So I'm gonna take off the scrunchie. So you're gonna take your big, extraordinarily large scrunchie. You're gonna bring it all the way around. You're gonna make sure all the hair is like out. You're gonna take it, tighten it by pulling on both sides. And then I'm gonna just push all the hair in and just pull it through to make it moldable. Spritz water and start shaping it to how I want it to be. I like to go for like a square round shape. I'm a big fan of making sure that your hair is in the shape that you like it in. Hair can look completely different based on where you put your bobby pins and how you shape it at the end. It's important when you're doing this hairstyle to turn your head all the time. You can look like here and you'll be like, oh my gosh, this looks great. And then the minute you do this, you're like, wait a minute, there's like hair sticking out. So sometimes if there's like a lot of hair sticking out, I'll like spray it before I set it. This is also your time to add in more gel. So I'm gonna quickly go into my trouble spots, which I know are back here. Okay, in order to ensure that it is smooth and round and symmetrical all around, the most important step is setting it with the scarf. And while you're doing this, you can finish your outfit, finish your makeup, eat some food, call a friend, clean up. mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. It's time to do my edges. I like to use Got2b. She does the job. In the summer, she won't do anything. But during this time, she'll do a lot. I'm not the best at doing my edges. I like to get my sideburns. So like, I'll get up in here and I'll brush back whatever I'm not laying. I'm gonna leave it like this because my favorite thing to do after I take down my hair is to grab another camera. Your eyes will play tricks on you because you'll think it looks symmetrical and in the middle, and then you see a picture or video and you're like, oh, that's like slightly tilted this way or that way. So take it out. Look, pose, smile, see if it's in the center, clean the camera because the camera was a little wonky. And then I'm gonna stop it. And then once you do that, girl, you are good. You are ready to go. This process literally can take you like 5 minutes. And it's super easy. It's like gel, boom, shoestring, boom, put on your scarf, boom, out the door. This is the top knot, the top bun, the top puff, the top something. It's getting dark. I'm gonna go hang out with the girlies. We're gonna go get lit. And it's gonna be great.